Imagine a brand new digital asset hitting a $400 million valuation on its very first day. This isn't a speculative meme. It's a high-tech tool designed to solve a problem that has plagued the internet for years. That problem is privacy. The goal of this project is to make activity on a blockchain completely invisible to outside observers. It's called Arcium. It uses the ticker ARX, and it's built on the Solana network to take advantage of its high speeds. Normally, every transaction you make and every cent in your digital wallet is public for anyone to see. Arcium changes that by allowing users to keep their financial lives private. Arcium is a secure black box. Computers can process sensitive information without seeing the raw data. Applications feed encrypted data in, the box does the math and outputs the answer. All sensitive details stay securely locked inside, completely hidden from the entire network. This is a huge breakthrough for industries like AI, where models need to learn from private data, and healthcare, where patient records must be kept strictly confidential. By keeping data hidden, large companies can finally use blockchain technology while still following the strict laws that protect consumer privacy. To use this secure black box computer, you need a specific type of digital fuel, the ARX token. This chart represents the total supply of ARX. There is a strict limit here. Only 1 billion tokens will ever exist. Right now, only about 209 million of those tokens are actually out in the world and available to be traded. When more people want to use Arcium's network, it gets crowded. To get their tasks done faster, users pay extra fees to have their requests handled first. As shown in this cycle, the network takes those extra fees and uses them to buy back ARX tokens. Those tokens are then sent to a digital dead end where they are permanently destroyed. Because tokens are being deleted, the total number of ARX in existence slowly goes down. This means that if the network stays busy, the remaining tokens become more scarce over time. Now that we understand how the tokens work, let's look at how the market has reacted since the launch on June 22nd. On this price chart, you can see the initial excitement. ARX hit an all-time high of 46 cents almost immediately after it became available. Since that peak, the price has been swinging up and down as early buyers and sellers figure out what it's worth. Today, it's trading around 41 cents. People who study these price charts are watching the 40-cent mark very closely. They see it as a potential safety net where the price might stop falling. While the daily price is volatile, the project has significant support from major industry names like Jump Crypto and Coinbase Ventures. These institutional backers provide a strong foundation for the technology, but remember that in these early days, the price is often moved more by market excitement than by the tech itself. There is a strong case for ARX. The technology solves a real-world problem, the institutional backing is world-class, and the token supply shrinks. On the other hand, the project is still in its infancy, and early prices are often extremely unpredictable. One major factor to watch is the supply. About 80% of all ARX tokens are currently locked up in a digital vault and cannot be sold yet. When those millions of tokens are eventually released and hit the market, it could put significant downward pressure on the price, regardless of the underlying tech. Arcium is a project with massive potential to change how we handle private data. But because it's so new, it's best treated as something to watch carefully rather than something to rush into. If you want to keep an eye on it, ARX is available on Coinbase, Binance, or Jupiter for those already in the Solana ecosystem. This breakdown is for educational purposes and is not financial advice. Always make sure to do your own research before making any decisions. If you enjoyed this tech breakdown, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll be back tomorrow with more daily crypto breakdowns.